Hello, welcome back to Campus Tag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add any language in Samsung or any Android phone. So just simple, go into the settings, scroll down a little bit, you will see, if you go a little down, you'll see general management, click on it and it will, on very top, you'll see language, which is English right now. So when you hit on this thing, so it will give you option, add language. You can add these languages. These are very built-in languages, but if you want to add any additional languages, so there is one more way. So when you type any text message or anything, you'll see there is a settings. So when you open this settings, click languages and all languages and types. So just manage input languages. So you'll find these things. Let's say you just turn on this one, it is Chinese. Right now it's in English. So if you want to add any other languages, so just hit and download this thing. When you connect to the internet, it will download here. And after that, let's go here and type something. So this is right now, it is English. You can see, but if you want to change the language, you want to switch the languages in the keyboards. So there is a button which you'll see the Chinese/en, which means Chinese or English. Just hit on this, so it will give you that option. So look at this, Chinese, and see, this is something is Chinese. I don't know what it's saying. It shows some Chinese word, but I have no idea. So that's the method how you can add, or if you want to just remove the language, the same method, follow the steps and shut down your other languages. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.